Thank you to all who have participated in shaping the comprehensive plan so far. This plan establishes a vision for Gray and confirms broadly held values that many residents share. All this work will help inform and shape priorities, town policies, and work plan over the coming years. Based on information from the public outreach, the plan is focusing on 3 policy areas for the community to implement as Gray continues to change and grow. Gray should focus on moving people safely through Gray and getting around town, protect Gray's rural character and natural resources, and invest in the village and community programs. Focusing on moving people safely around and through Gray is about partnering with outside agencies to help improve well-known traffic bottlenecks, but it is also about making roads safer for all users, including people who walk, bike, and run. Protecting Gray's rural character is about preserving the small-town, rural feel of Gray's working landscapes and quiet country roads. It is about protecting the natural resources that provide important rural functions, like aquifer protection and wildlife habitat. This can be accomplished through permanently preserving important open spaces and reducing the amount and scale of new development in rural parts of town. Investing in the village and community programs is about creating the places, spaces, services, and events that build community, create value, and encourage a diversity of businesses and activities within Gray Village. This means planning for new public investment in infrastructure and streetscape improvements, establishing design standards that result in new private development and redevelopment, which creates public value. Creating physical space and services, particularly for Gray's youth and seniors, to expand options related to parks and recreation programming, holiday celebrations, and events. For more information, visit graymaine.org.